They wanted to ruin your reputation and ended up ruining their own. What's done in the dark comes to light. You heard that saying before, right? This person tried to paint a picture of you being everything that you're not. They tried to paint a picture of you being somebody that was very secretive, deceitful, someone that was a gold digger, someone that was a person that entices others to their detriment, someone that is alluring, but someone that uses this allure to entice others for their own gains. Everything that they said that you were is who they are. This individual was very jealous of all the options that you had. They saw how attractive you are. They saw your appeal. The very same appeal that they were fixated on, they became angry with you for having this trait, these talents, these gifts, the way that you look, the way that you express yourself. So they conjured up this image of you, of being someone that was very manipulative, someone that had all these options, someone that was deceitful, someone that casted illusions over others, someone that was not loyal. So you can kind of gauge the type of lies that this person was saying about you. They acted as if you were someone that you're not. You're just simply beautiful inside and out, and very stunning and very handsome and very attractive, and you do get a lot of admirers, and some of you are oblivious to this. You're not even aware of this. Some of you could just literally be in your own world, but this person fixated on you. This person wanted to deter other people away from you in case they saw your light too, in case other people saw your beauty. They saw the way people fixated on you. They saw the way people were drawn to you, were attracted to you, and it made them feel inadequate. It kept this person up at night, wondering how they can ruin you, how they can ruin your reputation, how can people start to unsee what they see, what irritates them about you. So that's why they did it. That's why they lied about you. That's why they made up these rumors. That's why they made up these lies. Because they felt like if they make up these lies about you, then everything that they know you are will either be theirs. I know, how ridiculous, right? Or people will turn their backs on you, which will make you shrink into some sort of depression, and it will chip away at your confidence so that you don't feel good about yourself. This is what they wanted. It was spell work. It was a spiritual attack. They wanted you to be iced out. They wanted you to be on your own. They were so jealous of the fact that you are confident and that you are confident in your spot, and that you don't need anyone. Even if some of you are in relationships, you are independent, you look good, you smell good. Your essence is expensive. You are a luxury. And they know it, and they knew it then. And it triggered them to be in their ego. It triggered them to be in this toxic energy to try and destroy you. They didn't want you to shine brightly. You shining brightly made them feel inadequate. You shining brightly and standing in your power made them feel small. They didn't understand that if you shine as bright as you do, then they too can shine too. For some of you, unfortunately, you're probably nice to this person. And this is the type of person that will smile, and then when you walk away, their face turns into anger and rage. This person's extremely dangerous. They didn't think twice to spread these lies and gossip about you, fueled by anger and rage and jealousy and envy. They acted as if you'd done something to them just by existing. They were jealous of your sweetness. They were jealous of maybe a love interest, and they seek to destroy this. They try to become a third party. For some of you, unfortunately, they were a third party in your situation because they saw how someone looked at you, how someone cared for you, how someone was in love with you, how you were in your relationship, how your partner doted on you, how your partner dotes on you. They wanted it for themselves. They lied and said that you were flirting with other people. They could have insinuated to your partner, if they know your partner, that you were disloyal, that you have many people on your roster, that they're not the only one. So if this individual that you are dealing with started to act quite cool and detached from some of you, it's because of this person. They were in this person's ear, trying to deter this person from even coming towards you if you're not in a relationship with this person right now. This person, whether they said things to the person you are connected with romantically or not, their energy, their influence played a part on the delay of your connection due to their jealousy and envy of you and your whole being. They wanted people to move away from you. They wanted to drive you away. They wanted you to feel irrelevant because they were so threatened by your power, your leadership abilities, your charisma, your magnetism, everything that you possess that they are not. And that they will never be while still in this energy, if they're in this energy right now. You are a reflection to everything that they wish that they could be. They admire you. They admired you. But their admiration turned to rage. Why can't I be like that? Why can't I be talented like that? Why can't I get all the girls like that? Why don't I get guys to look at me? That's what was going on in their head. Because this individual seeks outside validations for the wrong reasons. Yeah, it's cool if someone says that you're looking good, you're looking great. That's all nice, but this person lives for validation. This person wants to be seen. They want to be known for all the wrong reasons. And they see and they saw you gaining this attention while you're literally just doing your own thing, minding your own business, working on your goals, you know, shining, glowing, just being the amazing, magnificent, sparkly, shiny you. And they just hated it. And they hate it. That's why they spread these lies. That's why they try to deter other people away from you. This person's very influential. And it worked to some point. And this person wanted you to be very uncomfortable, especially if you work with this individual. They acted as if you are very erratic. They acted as if you are very reckless. There's something about them trying to taint your being in regards to how you express yourself. You know, they acted as if you flirt with a lot of people and that you're disloyal and that you're not the settling down type. And they were very, very adamant to make sure that people saw you in this light. But what's happening now is that this person is being forced to heal and move away. This person's mind is very discombobulated because people are starting to see that this person's unstable, that they fixate on you, and it's not normal. You know, people are friend zoning this individual, the same people that they actually wanted to move away from you or for you to move away from. They're starting to feel that this person's very detached all over the place. People are walking away and turning their back on this person because they see them as very, very untrustworthy. They see this individual as a player. They see this person as someone that they would not want to settle down with. And they see this person as very jealous of you.